Here we go. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire. Today we are going to get into Outre's Color Bomb Kimani. Okay, so this is Kimani in the color Sandstone Blonde. She does remind me a lot of Sensationnel's Zelena. Make sure you stay put to see the finished look, and don't forget to subscribe, join the family, because you know I'm always giving you guys looks every week. Just start off by saying, like, the color is gorgeous. Yet again, another, I feel like these wigs are improving as far as like the colors and stuff like that, because it definitely looks like, you know, this color was custom. I just came out of the salon chair working on it, or I took my bundles to somebody and they did it for me. When I tell you that this cap is snugged, woo, this is a tight fit for me. So I don't know. Outre is playing around with these combination of blondes. They are so divine. They're sandstone blonde, and you know, you have all of your different combinations of blonde in the bag. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the specs. It says exclusive salon design blonde shades. I would definitely say that, you know, Outre has done a great job with making these synthetic units look like you just walked out the salon and it's, you know, a color that you picked out or what have you. Pre-plucked soft Swiss lace. Now the Swiss I do like. I feel like this, I like this Swiss lace over Sensationnel's wet lace unit line. I did use the baby hairs that came with this unit. It was pretty easy to use them. Now I would say, as far as like the texture is not silky, but it's not yucky. It's not silky at all. It has some type of yuckiness to it, but not to the point where it's silky, if that makes sense. It's like in between. I put heat, especially at the top, just to flatten it. It was looking a bit bumpy, and I feel like it still does. She does shed, not as much though as my other units. I'm not getting much tangling though. That's one thing I will say. I'm not getting a lot of tangling, and it's probably because this part right here is straight. This wig is a very long unit. I think she would even look cuter if she was cut. Look at that. That would be so cute. Kind of, I will say, is the cap size is so small, but yeah, this is definitely going to be in my like it and buy it again stash. Make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell so that way my next video pop up, you can come and enjoy me right away. Check the scripture of the week down below in the description box. Stay prayed up as always. Be blessed. Bye. And you know, go ahead and check out another video, because I mean, we're not doing nothing anyway, so you might as well go ahead and check out another video. I'm here. I'm waiting. Oh, did you hit that subscribe button too? Okay. Shoot, this color is cute.